Do remanufactured ink cartridges work in an HP printer? We're about to find out. Okay, in this short video, I'll show you how to change the ink cartridge in an HP 6200, 7100, and 7800 series printers. I have an NV7858, but the process is the same if you own any of the printer series I mentioned. In the past, I've used official HP 64XL cartridges because they can print 3 times as many pages as the non-XL type. However, to save a bit of money, I'm using a remanufactured ink cartridge today. To start, open up the main lid of the printer, and the ink caddy immediately moves into its loading position. And just so you know, the color cartridge is on the left and the black is on the right. Also, the instructions are actually printed right here. But just press down on the back of the ink cartridge and slip it out. Before installing the new one, take off the plastic cover. Then peel off the protective plastic strip. To reinstall the cartridge, insert it with the back end angled down. Then lightly push it into the caddy until it snaps into place. And after a few seconds, the new ink cartridge is ready to use. It even shows me the ink level status on the display. So remanufactured ink cartridges definitely work on my HP printer. I'll list both the HP and remanufactured cartridges in the description so it's easy for you to find. And for further confirmation, it even printed out the calibration page with no problem. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.